What they do here is they bring train loads of mud in. They've got some fancy pants digger. I don't think it's that one. They've got another fancy pants, like one that's really tall. Let me see if that might be a long reach one there. Yeah, there it is. Look. So that basically, yeah, look, it's got a grab on the thing. So it picks out all the soil. The trains, right, start from the beginning, calm down. Right, the trains come. This has got nothing to do with Universal, by the way. I'm just waffling here. But we all like a little bit of infrastructure, don't we? The trains come in here loaded with soil. That one with the grab on it unloads it all to the path, then the train sods off, and then the other digger will spend all day scraping the piles of dirt up. You see the piles of dirt there?